Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this occasion, allow me to make an introduction about who I am. My name is Ujang Egi Afrian. I study at the High School of Economics and now I'm in semester 7. Strategies for sustaining business in the middle. The outbreak of the coronavirus has affected the lives of many people. In terms of health, education, including the economy, the number of COVID-19 cases continues to increase, making the pace of a number of business slow down. Moreover, people are currently reducing activities outside the home, such as holiday or shopping. The wheel of the economy also slowed down. The market began to sluggish, then upward decrease, as well as productivity. The government has also prepared a stimulus to help boost the economy and maintain purchasing power, especially for MSME. But as a businessman, of course, we must also prepare a strategy. What can we do to survive in a situation like this? Show caring. Show your sensitivity in responding to this pandemic. Maintain good communication with customers. Be careful in promoting your product or service. Don't let your brand sound like it's taking advantage of the situation to talk about yourself and look for profit. This will give a bad image to your business. One of the things you can do to show concern is to take action that focus on the public interest. For example, sharing facts about how to prevent the coronavirus or CSR programs such as giving real support to those affected. If you are in doubt, just give a message that you care about the people affected by COVID-19. You can convey this message through the means of communication that you normally use, such as email or social media. Give positive distraction. Uncertain situation cause many people to feel worried and stressed. These conditions are not the right time to promote sales. Not only because a strategy like this can turn to attack your brand, but it also likely that it will not hit the mark and reach the desired target. Instead, think about how your brand can provide positive distraction to your audience, one of which is by building a story. For example, you can tell about your concern for the people and communities around you. Your passion is a brand, and so on, of course with the right delivery. Use this time to rebuild people's spirit. Positive stories can calm the mind. Some brands do this by building compelling stories about their customers rather than about their own brands. If you decide to do this, always remember to be sensitive in conveying every message. Make online transaction. To avoid the spread of the coronavirus, as much as possible, avoid direct transaction. Moreover, nowadays transaction can easily be done via online such as m-banking or internet banking, so you don't have to bother coming to the bank currently. The average bank already has its own application, so you can monitor every transaction you make in real time. Review budget and keep cash flow. Business finance is a crucial thing that needs to be considered, especially in conditions like this. Finance that are managed properly and carefully can put your business at risk. The budget is a description of the budget of a business that is important to do, both to evaluate work result and to make plans and targets for the next period or year. In a situation like this, business people must be wise in making decisions. Is there a budget that could be cut to cut expense? How about the cash flow? Make sure every transaction is well and neatly booked so that cash flow remains balanced. Switch sales strategy to online. In a situation like this, where people minimize direct interaction, people's shopping behavior also changes. Many activities and transactions have switched to online. One way to deal with this disruption is to readily adapt to the situation, such as shifting sales strategies to online, either through online store website or social media. Thus, customer can still access your product or service. If you need an online store curation service, Circular Store is the right choice to support your business and help you sell online. With an integrated payment system, we will also make it easier for your customer to make transactions. So whatever your business is, make sure you have the right strategy and planning so that your business can continue to run and survive the current pandemic. The outbreak of the coronavirus disease COVID-19 that has hit the world since the beginning of the year has shaken people's daily lives. As of March 30, there were 724,565 COVID-19 cases with 34,107 deaths in 1,099 countries around the world. In Indonesia, COVID-19 has infected at least 100 people, of which 100 people have died from this contagious disease. Not only is life-threatening, the coronavirus outbreak has also hit many businesses. Check the financial condition of the business. No one can say for sure when this coronavirus outbreak will end. As long as the epidemic has not ended, economic conditions will not return to normal. This will clearly affect the continuity of your business. Do a thorough check on the financial condition of the business. One of the important things you need to check in is the condition of liquidity. Ideally, you still have cash on hand for operation in the next 12 months. If it's less than that, you need to think about safeguarding liquidity so you can sustain your business in the midst of this corona crisis. Prepare yourself for the worst case scenario. This pandemic, as massive as the COVID-19 pandemic, has a big impact on anyone's business. Not only was the market suddenly sluggish drastically in line with the physical distancing policy, supply chain disruption also disrupted business activities. Not to mention the cancellation of requests or projects that had previously been agreed upon following the outbreak. This clearly affects the path of the business. Therefore, as an anticipatory step, make a business plan that also contains a projection or forecast for the sustainability of your business for at least the next year. For example, projection in terms of business income level, of container of capital, and so on. Also, save on marketing costs by optimizing only social media organically. Postpone spending on capital expenditure that drain large funds. If possible, negotiation with the supplier regarding possible renewable payment. Also consider negotiation with bank if the repayment of debt feels burdensome. Give understanding to employees the COVID-19 pandemic crisis is a time of great concern. If you are not careful, business can go out of business in an instant due to the inability to be hit by the terrible COVID-19. The way to maintain business in the midst of the next corona crisis is to talk to your employees to work hand in hand, strengthening each other in this difficult time. Tell employees about Your current focus is to maintain business continuity so that you don't go bankrupt, which can lead to layoff. In order for this to be achieved, employee must be willing to forget the usual salary increase or bonus, at least until the condition return to normal. Plus, sales with the cheapest way the COVID-19 outbreak require lack crowd to avoid crowd to cap the spread of the virus. Thanks for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.